Hello, my darlings, and welcome to my Sigil Magic series. Each month, I create a unique magic sigil that you can use for your own spell work. In this video, I create a sigil to promote bravery and learning. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create the sigil. If you'd like to download any of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. To begin creating the magic sigil, I start with the magical intention. I write this out as a positive phrase. My statement for this sigil is I am brave, I am smart, I am always learning from life. I usually try not to combine too many ideas into a sigil. It's best to have one single clear intent that represents your true will. In this case, I wanted to marry these 3 sentences together to get a magical result. I remove all vowels, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds. If a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I'm left with BRV, MST, LWY, NGF. Next, I combine the letters into a sigil. I began with the T and L, linking them together. I added the N and also included the M on top of it. And finally, the V at the top. Next, I focused on adding the letters with rounded shapes in them, R, B, S, and G, placing them at the center. Once I had worked out the general shapes, I began to refine it into a more organic sigil. It usually takes me 3 or 4 refinements to get to a final outcome that I'm really happy with. You do not have to settle for your first result unless you like it on the first try. As I work, I put my energy and will into the creation of the sigil. I concentrate on the intention as I create it. I am brave. I am smart. I am always learning from life. I ended up with something that, while it's not completely symmetrical, I really like because it reminds me of a nautilus shell and the golden ratio a little bit. I took the final result and scanned it into Photoshop, and I recreated it as a digital artwork, which I placed on a colorful background inside of a circle. And here is the final sigil printed out onto a heat transferable vinyl sheet, which I cut out and ironed onto a muslin bag. This is the Sigil Spell Bag for my Sigil Spell Bag tier patrons this month. Sigil Spell Bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with stickers and a note from me, and a new Sigil Spell Bag tucked inside their card each month. If you'd like to become a Sigil Spell Bag patron, I'll put a link in the description below. This sigil is meant to be shared. Feel free to use it on any magical workings that you do related to bravery or learning. I'm sending you blessings of bravery, wisdom, and lessons learned.